Leader of Light Gates Ministry International, Prophet Samuel Kofi, has organized a football tournament for the talented players in his community at Tema Newtown amid celebrating his birthday. According to him, it was a strategy to draw the attention of football managers to the talent in his community as well as draw them to Christ.
Leading the Prophet Samuel, the founder of Light Gates Ministry International. Jesus is our Savior. And there, 21st of holiday, 23rd year, Mawoda, Yamia Dome, Yamedia Feba, Akamafo. But I mean, say every 23rd piano, occasion, I'll just bring the youth in our community together. So there be a unity, there ye Juma. Now one more money in this is the main vision and the main purpose in Tia. Mima ye boss Galamach. So there be Ankwan in Abeba, in Nebesium, Obi one Obi Eproye, Obi Obi, but we Emma, Yenina Rano, Kambum, a man free, or Donald Sanye, a Babium. It's the main reason why and Nyamia don't host this tournament. He said unity and in love birthday, Beye Juma Adiamaya. And at the same time, I am a CEO for Light Gates Football Club. As a CEO, dear, maybe I'm deciding to be football about ministry. You must say, maybe say youth, no, I'm what I'm a new town area hanging on. One of Mukita career, baby, no, I don't match Ediano, but the Buffalo knew. See, then every year, a Buffalo to Naba. Say it to me, I'm a ministry, no, Apata football, no, every farm football, no, Nitma, Uncle, Muni Buffalo. A banner says, well, you are on him, Christo. That movement, no, about joining church and not team, no, bring a passion to the ministry. Once I can't cano, not a society, Ebana Bravo, Hono, or the Christo, and you are here. The crown in a jumper is the main vision in me. Madam Masori Manase Light Gates Ministry International as a for money now, Melco youth, and a for any Yamidomu because you know beyond the Benyanisa. And here we are made 2 minutes. Almost your dog at Tambichi, Ubia, Children, Dobia, head your pet, Ubia, see, West Membian, West Memman, West May say, Mihundia Menka, let that as a for money in Narasi. The mission of Mupa, and what your wire mamma. It has a saying, I'm in this way, if you are